Hey folks, how you doing? Kunal here. Guys, election day happened. History happened. Whether you're pro-Trump or pro-Clinton, it doesn't really matter, right? As traders, our job is to figure out what's going to happen next, how we can manage our risk, and most importantly, we've got to go out and do our jobs. You know, whether we're in a good mood or a bad mood, every day we put on our pants and we get to work. Yesterday there was tons of fear in the air that a Trump victory would mean the crash of the stock market. Now, did the stock market crash today? No. It was all hype. Now, does that mean that it's just going to keep going up and up and up? Well, the market went on a huge run today. The Dow's up 300 points. There are sectors flying out all over the place. So what happens next? Well, this is the thing I've learned in the last 15 years. You don't bet on stock market crashes. They happen very rarely. It's a binary event that happens once every blue moon. From what I can see, those type of stock market crashes happen once a decade. So betting on them costs money. The thing to always remember about markets is that we follow trends and then we manage our risk. Our long-term trend in the market is up. And we have to respect that till we see the signs that that trend is ending. So even though there was a lot of fear yesterday, the market has spoken and it's going up. So now how can we profit from this? Well, there are a few industries that over the last 10 years have been totally smoked out due to policies of Obama, Democrats, Republicans, who knows. But there are a few that have been really in the dumper. And recently, this past year, the biotech market is down 35% due to fears that there would be some controls on drug pricing. Today, the market spoke and the biotech market took off with the prospect of a Trump presidency, and you're seeing biotech stocks fly all over the place. So I look at biotech ETFs like LABU, that's a 3X ETF that measures the biotechs. That's something that I'd be watching in the coming days for a pullback. Right now it's at about $41. You definitely don't want to chase it, but after a big day, the market tends to digest. So as it pulls back to support and starts to set up, that may be something to take a look at. Couple other sectors that could be really interesting. Coal stocks. I know coal is a dirty word. It's the black gold. But this country used to run on coal. And a Trump presidency could bring back the coal sector from the dead. So keep an eye on stocks like CNX, CLD, BTUUQ. There are a whole host of stocks like that that could go on runs. One of the ways I like to do research, I use TC2000, that's that platform in the back. You can type in any sector you want, and it will bring up a list of every company in that sector. So you could go biotechs, and it'll throw out 400 companies. You can put in coal, it'll type out every single company. And then from there, I'll individually go through them and look for key characteristics of volume, chart breakout, float, that I would like to see in the type of stocks that I trade. The last one I'd keep an eye on is the for-profit prison systems. Those got murdered this year on news that maybe the US government would stop contracting those, but we're seeing a big move in GEO, CXW today that could also have some follow-through. Once again, I wouldn't chase these stocks up. What happens after a big market day like today is we'll need to digest those gains and really figure out what's what. So we wait for the pullbacks or flag patterns, and then we go on the attack when we see low risk opportunities that can give us the reward we need. Guys, I know there's a lot of fear in the air, but remember that fear and uncertainty can also get us to profits if we can keep our heads, do our homework, and act responsibly. Guys, let's make America great.